Hey guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you guys having a very good day. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how can you get emotes in Stumble guys. So at first, just continue to the game Stumble guys. Just hold on guys. After going to the game, here you can see in the bottom left here Stumble pass. Just click on it. After clicking on it, here you can see there are two type of passes. If you don't buy the premium pass, you will have the free pass here. If you play this game a lot, or if you play this game every day, you will get the free things here in Stumble guys. Just swipe it like me, and here you can see in the 23 stage you will get this emote for free in Stumble guys. Also you will have this emote in 2080 stage if you complete to 2080 stage in Stumble guys. Now just go back and go to the shop which is under your profile. Now in this season, here you can see there is a guaranteed emote here if you purchase it with 50x. There is also other emotes, just swipe it like me. If you purchase these two characters, you will get their emotes for free. So guys, this is how you can get emotes in Stumble guys. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.